Hello my dear students, we are going to begin class 8 mathematics CBSE NCERT. Chapter 1 rational numbers exercise 1.2 question number 5 find 5 rational number between. From the given question we have to find 5 rational number. Let us see 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. For these questions, how can we return between numbers for these rational numbers? The first step is you have to take the LCM of 3 and 5. 3 and 5 LCM is 15. So let us make the denominator 15 by multiplying. So for the first one, by 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. The second fraction, second rational number, 3 4s are 12. If I multiplied by 3, I will be getting the denominator 15. Now you can observe that 10 and 12. They have asked you 5 rational number. Here only 11 by 15 you will get the between rational number. So what we can do? We can go further. Let us go for again what we can do. Let us multiply. We will get the more. If whatever we do the multiplication, we have to do for both numerator and denominator. It will be not harm or it will be not effect for anything. So now I am going to multiply it by 4. 4 10s are 40, 4 15s are 60 here also. But why should I multiply it by 4? That is also, if I write like this, I will get maximum between numbers. So I have written 4 15s are 60, 4 12s are 48. So now we can write the 5 rational number between 2 and these are the original 2 by 3, 4 by 5. So 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60, 44 by 60, 45 by 60. In the second question, minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Now, as I said, let us take the denominator LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So, I am going to make the denominator same by multiplying 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So, minus 9 by 6, 5 2s are 10, 2 3s are 6. Why? Because to get the 6 denominator, I multiplied by 2 here. Now, one thing you can observe that here you can observe that minus 9 and 10 is there. Between these there are many numbers are there. So we'll get more than 5. So we can write that minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6. This is a one set of a 5 rational number. Or you can write like this also. Minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6. So LCM, by the help of the LCM, we can find these answers. Now we'll go to the third question, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So our intention is, first we have to take the LCM of denominator. So when we take the LCM, 4 and 2 is 4. So 4, 1, we no need to multiply. So 1 by 4. So I am multiplying and showing by 1. 1 by 2, if I multiplied by 2, I will get 4 denominator. So I have written 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again, what can I do? If I multiplied by 8, I will be getting the extra between numbers. So 8 1s are 8, 8 4s are 32. The same thing I will apply for the second rational number also. 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32. Now we can make a list of 5 rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So what we can do? 8 by 32 after, 9 by 32, 10 by 32, 11 by 32. I repeated 11 by 32. So 12 by 32, 13 by 32. In this way we can write 5 rational number. Now write 5 rational number greater than minus 2. Any numbers you can write, it should be greater than minus 2. The conditions are applied. So let us write the solution. 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2 are any number. Minus 3 by 2, minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. If minus 1, you may think that it is not in the form of p by q. If it is denominator is not there, we can consider as 1. If 0 also, if there is no denominator, we can consider as 1. Now next, the last question of this exercise 1.2. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. The given rational numbers are 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. So we can do these. 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. 3 5s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So again what can I do? 12 8s are 96. 8 20s are 160. 15 8s are 120. 20 8s are 160. So we will get many rational numbers between, because you know very well there are n number of between two rational numbers. So 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4, 97 by 160, 98 by 160, 99 by 160, 100 by 160, 101 by 160, 102 by 160, 103 by 160, 104 by 160, 105 by 160. Hope you understood how to find the rational numbers between rational numbers. It is not so difficult. It is easy. You can do it just by taking the LCM, making the denominator same. Then you can find. Nothing is difficult. Everything is easy. For every problem, there is a solution. So enjoy by writing between rational numbers. Thank you.